Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B0013-12, indicates a short-to-power condition in the front passenger's knee airbag inflator. This means that the SRS, Supplemental Restraint System, unit has detected a voltage on the detection line that exceeds a specified threshold. The SRS system is crucial for vehicle safety, as it deploys airbags in the event of an accident to protect passengers. The front passenger's knee airbag specifically helps reduce injury to the knees during a collision. The issue could be related to the airbag itself, wiring, or the SRS unit. Therefore, if this DTC arises, immediate attention is needed to prevent deployment issues during a collision. The error description for DTC B0013-12 revolves around the front passenger's knee airbag and the SRS unit. The front passenger's knee airbag is located in the lower dashboard area, specifically designed to safeguard the knees of the front passenger in the event of a collision. Its operational integrity is essential for overall passenger safety. The SRS unit acts as the brain of the airbag system, monitoring various inputs to determine when to deploy airbags during an event such as an impact. An abnormal voltage detection in the SRS unit signifies an issue, which triggers the B0013-12 DTC. The components involved are interconnected through wiring, which itself is subject to wear, damage, or incorrect installation. Several potential causes can trigger DTC B0013-12. Firstly, a damaged front passenger's knee airbag unit can result from prior collisions or manufacturing defects. Such damage can lead to faulty electrical signals. Secondly, shorted wiring, either between the airbag unit and SRS, can create undesired connections that falsely trigger airbag alerts. Wiring issues could be due to improper installations, abrasions, or age-related wear. Lastly, a faulty SRS unit could incorrectly interpret normal input signals as abnormal, causing the DTC to be stored. Understanding these causes is critical for thorough troubleshooting. Various symptoms can indicate the presence of DTC B0013-12. One common sign is the activation of the airbag warning light on the dashboard, which alerts the driver to potential issues within the airbag system. Additionally, if the knee airbag fails to deploy in an accident, this can signify underlying problems. This could pose severe safety risks during collisions, leading to inadequate passenger protection. Moreover, the vehicle's diagnostic system may display error codes related to airbag deployment failures, prompting further investigation. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for timely intervention. The first troubleshooting step involves turning the vehicle ignition to on mode and waiting for 10 seconds. This action is crucial as it initializes the SRS system, allowing it to run self-check protocols. During this period, the SRS unit assesses various parameters, ensuring all systems function correctly. If the SRS unit detects no abnormalities, DTC B0013-12 should not appear. This preliminary step serves as a fundamental check before delving into more intricate components, ensuring the basic functionality of the airbag system is intact. Documenting whether the DTC persists after this preliminary check is essential for further diagnostics. The second troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the front passenger's knee airbag. Begin by checking the physical condition of the airbag unit for any signs of damage or wear that may have resulted from an accident or manufacturing defect. If physical damage is identified, the airbag unit will likely need replacement. After conducting a visual inspection, the next phase involves testing the electrical circuit to ensure proper voltage is being delivered to the airbag. This inspection helps determine if the airbag itself is at fault or if issues lie within connected circuits, aiding in identifying the root cause of the DTC effectively. In this step, we perform a thorough inspection of the wiring connected to the SRS unit. This includes examining the RKA+ power supply line and RKA- ground wire. To inspect these wires, first ensure the SRS unit connector is disconnected to avoid any accidental deployment. Look for physical damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could lead to a short circuit. The short circuit could falsely indicate system faults, causing DTC B0013-12. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and ensure that neither RKA+ nor RKA- has unintended connections to the power source. Any abnormalities found during this examination would necessitate repair or replacement of the affected wiring. The final troubleshooting step centers on inspecting the SRS unit itself, particularly if previous checks did not reveal any faults. This unit is pivotal in the functionality of the airbag deployment system. During this inspection, verify that the SRS unit is receiving the correct signals and that its internal components are functioning appropriately. If any discrepancies in functioning are noted during inspection, it points toward the necessity of replacing the SRS unit. Failure to address an impaired SRS can lead to significant safety risks during a collision, since the airbag system may not deploy as intended. Conduct a thorough evaluation before concluding any repairs. Once repairs are completed, it's crucial to verify the effectiveness of the work performed. Begin by clearing any diagnostic trouble codes from the vehicle's computer system. This step ensures that the system no longer retains past error states that could lead to confusion during subsequent checks. Following this, perform another test of the airbag system, ideally under conditions that simulate normal operation. Conducting this testing ensures that the airbag deploys correctly and that the system is fully functional. Proper verification confirms safety and restores vehicle integrity, assuring both the technician and vehicle owner that the necessary repairs were successful. Preventive maintenance for the airbag and SRS systems should not be overlooked. Regular inspections can often reveal potential issues before they manifest as DTCs or larger problems. Technicians should routinely inspect the airbag components and associated wiring to ensure there are no signs of wear or damage. This includes examining connectors, wiring harnesses, and the airbag units themselves. Maintaining the integrity of the wiring is essential, as exposure to environmental factors can lead to insulation breakdown. Additionally, being proactive in replacing any aging components contributes to the continued effectiveness of the airbag system and the safety it affords occupants. In conclusion, addressing DTC B0013-12 requires a comprehensive understanding of the SRS components and their roles. The troubleshooting procedure must follow a logical progression, starting from ignition checks to component inspections and final verification of repairs. Each component's health, including the front passenger's knee airbag and SRS unit, is critical for ensuring passenger safety. Moreover, regular inspections and preventive maintenance can minimize the risks of complications arising from the airbag system. Investing time in proper troubleshooting and routine care translates to safer driving experiences for everyone in the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.